Hello. Exhibition season is slowing down for summer and I'm in the office for the week. The installers always help me with my films and now they have decided it's time I help them build a stand. I am wearing my version of high-vis and Harry and Gregg will be teaching me, so let's go. This should be interesting. First thing I notice is how neatly our stand and graphics are packed up. Really useful if you decide to self-build. All of this can fit in a typical estate car.
They go.
Okay, this is in.
Almost. It's hit. Look, here it didn't go inside.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Oh, now. Down.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
And now.
You got clip in the middle.
Okay, I will do it.
Lovely.
So I'm going through a similar process to that which our buy-to-self-build clients go through. We provide a full day of training here at our pool facilities. Another thing to remember is that we provide really comprehensive plans and instructions and access to a large collection of instructional videos.
So we've got the underlit bases that go in first.
Okay, let me put that.
In position 1.
So, we have the frame structure up and it's ready to install the graphics. As you've seen, we've got to this stage without the use of tools and there is no mess or dust. This is one of the major benefits of the Prestige event system. Your stand is guaranteed to look just like it should because we don't have to paint, drill or cut anything on site. This protects your stand and any stock or equipment you have at the exhibition.
And you know, paint, dust and fumes can spell disaster on exhibition stands.
Yes, it can.
It can.
Roll it down and go from the top. Click it in. Click it in. And then it clicks into place.
Another thing you really notice as you put up the graphics is how easy it must be to swap in and out some of your own graphic panels for different shows, markets, or product features. There we have it. The A-Console stand is fully pre-built and ready for client and project manager inspection. The process is very smooth and easy. Remember though, if this isn't for you, we of course have our free hire plan, where we build, project manage, transport and store your stand, the total stress-free service. I've had a look at our busy autumn schedule, and we are installing stands across the UK and Europe, including Paris, Milan and Monaco. So Greg, Harry, would you like me to come with you and build those stands?
No.